Okay, friends, this is 300 Canyon Valley Drive in Richardson. This house is a little bit different than what you've been looking for and looking at. It's got two big, beautiful trees in the front yard. It just came on the market today, and I think you would like it. So we're solid brick, beautiful wood front door. You come in, you have a big area here that you could do multiple things with it. They've got it set up as kind of a formal dining room on this side, living area there, and then kind of an eat-in kitchen there. And then they've made this into an office. So I think originally this was probably the eat-in kitchen, and then this was a formal living room, probably separated by a wall there. This house was built in '71, but it's been totally redone. They've got beautiful floors. Comes into the kitchen this way, double oven, tile backsplash, great looking hood vent. Beautiful contrast in the cabinets. These cabinets are prefab, but they're brand new. Really nice look. And they've done an eat-in kitchen there. This comes around to the other side. So then this is a front half bath, been redone. And then this is the laundry room, fairly decent sized laundry room. And this goes into the double car garage, rear entry. And then I want to go, we'll look at outside. This is what they've done on the outside. Have a sitting area for parties. Really nice job. Then you come down the hall. So you have a front bedroom here that goes into the bathroom. You have a front bedroom here. Master's down that hall, so I'll take you this way. This is a full bath. They've redone this. Beautiful tile. This Jack and Jill's to the other bedroom. And this bathroom's been redone, double vanities. So there's the living room, front bedroom, second bedroom, Jack and Jill's into this bathroom. Then the third bedroom, they have set up as a weight room. You could also use this as another office. Then this door here goes back out to the patio. Here's the main bedroom. So this is kind of unique. You have a little closet over here. And they've got that big TV there. It's a little overpowering. And then really redone bathroom, big soaking tub, walk-in shower, water area, double vanity. Oops, sorry. And then another big walk-in closet. So I guess they have her closet over here, his closet on the other side of the bed. These are solid wood dowels, all nice. This is nice. Good. Done a really good job decorating it. Good light fixtures. I'll walk you back through the house, and then we'll go back out onto the patio. Shut all the lights off. Okay, so then this is the main living area again. got nice tile, really quiet. You're at the corner of George Bush is about a mile north, and then 75 is just about a mile to the east. Great backyard. I mean, if somebody wanted to put a pool in here later, you could. Really rare find. Its price point is $700. Let me know if you want to see it.